So you've now already learned how to create queries with a single criteria, multiple criteria. You've learned how to sort that data, and you've learned how to extract data from multiple tables. You're now going to look at using a variety of operators. In your OneNote, you've been given a table that gives you the name of all of the different operators that you should be aware of with this exam specification, and then how they are actually used. I'm going to give you a couple of examples here, just demonstrating. I'm just going to delete this information here because it's not correct. So if we look at our boat table, we're going to perform an AND query. So we're going to have all of them that have 12 berths and 5 heads. So go back here, 12 here, 5 over here. So it's keeping it on the same line for it to be and. So when it's searching through the results, it must have a berth of 12 and then double check that it has heads of 5. So if we go here and we run our query, these are all of the boats that have 12 berths and 5 heads. I'm going to go back into my query design and I will show you another one. So this one, we will use some of the operators like the more than, the less than, equal sign, and so forth. So for example, if we now look at potentially length, we might want any of the boats that are more than 15 in length. So if I type in the more than sign and type in 14, and if I go and run my query, all of them here you can see are more than 14. Now it doesn't actually include the length of 14. In order for that to happen, you must do the more than or equal sign. So it means it's more than or equals to 14. If we run that, we now get the results that include 14. And again, as you've learned before, you can use the ascending and descending tool to sort out your results. There are other ways that you can use the operators as well. So you can use the OR criteria. So it could be that we look at the style of the boat, because that's quite a good one to have a look at. So it could be Premier Plus or Premier that we want. So I can type in Premier Plus or, and you can see that here, or Premier. And you must make sure the spelling matches and the capitalization matches what you see in the table. So I'm going to run that one, this query. So Premier, Premier Plus, query, run. And as you can see, the results here are done. And still, we've got our correct information.